In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself and your screen in Canva. We're going to keep this simple and smooth so you can start presenting with confidence right away. Begin by opening the Canva project you want to record. Once your design is on screen, look toward the top and click the Present button. From the menu that appears, choose Present and Record. When you see the prompt, hit Next, and then select Go to Recording Studio. This takes you into the space where you'll set up your camera and microphone before you start. Take a moment here to configure your camera and mic. Choose the correct devices from the drop-downs, and if your browser asks for permission, allow access so Canva can use them. Check your framing in the preview and make sure your face is well lit, your background is tidy, and the camera is at about eye level. Speak at a natural volume and watch for any audio indicators, making sure your voice isn't too quiet or clipping. Small tweaks now will make your recording look and sound professional. When everything looks good, click Start Recording. You'll now see your camera feed appear at the bottom left corner of the screen. This picture-in-picture view lets your audience see you while you present your slides, which helps keep things engaging and personal. From here, move through your presentation by clicking your slides. Give yourself a beat between clicks so your narration and visuals stay in sync. Keep your cursor movements intentional to draw attention to key areas without distracting from your message. If you've prepared speaker notes, you'll find them on the right side. Glance over as needed to stay on track, but keep your eyes on the content and the camera as much as possible to maintain a natural flow. At the top right, you'll see the pause and end recording buttons. Pause is handy if you need a quick reset or a sip of water without restarting your session. When you've covered everything you planned, click End Recording to finish. That's it. You've opened your project, chosen Present and Record, gone to the recording studio, configured your camera and mic, started recording, navigated your slides by clicking through, used your notes for guidance, and wrapped up with the controls in the top right. With a little practice, this process becomes second nature, and you'll be creating clear, polished recordings directly in Canva in no time.